I will show you guys how to replace the lock car of the Thule roof rack or BMW roof rack or the ski rack. So first you will need a very flat or small thin flathead screwdriver or anything very thin. Then of course most importantly you will need the master key for the Thule lock. It looks like this. And you will need the key to unlock the current one. And for the lock car you have different type of lock cars. If you have BMW one, yours is probably look like this one, the current one. And if yours is Thule, and yours is probably look like this one. This one is easy, but the problem is the one with the BMW or mini roof rack. So to remove the current one, what you need to do is you need to first unlock the current lock core. Then let me show you the BMW one as an example. You need to insert the master lock key, and then you see, then it will pop up some of the tabs, then it will release. To remove the old one, first what you need to do is you first insert the master key. Then in the inside you will see a tab. You need to manually untab it, which is this one. It's hard to show on the camera. This is inside of the lock. First unclip it, then push it out, then keep pushing it out, then you just remove the key, insert the key, remove the key, insert the key, and wiggle, and you will be able to take it off like that. The BMW one is probably a little harder, but you will be able to do that. And when you're trying to remove the lock core, sometimes this tab clip back on, so but just make sure you check it. It will give you a hard time. Yeah, it has to be like this. After unclip the tab, how you do is you insert the master key, but don't fully insert it at the first time. Just while you're pushing in the back side of the core, make sure the tab isn't clipped on. And while you're pushing with your finger, insert the key slowly. I think my tab is locked on. So unclip it and push with your finger, then insert the key. You see, while you're pushing the lock car, insert the key. Yeah, it comes out like this. And now I want to install the Thule lock core. This one isn't gonna fit in. This one is a little bit different. When this BMW one, when I insert the key fully, on the bottom side there is no more clip, but on the Thule one, after I insert the master lock key full, this one pops up. And now I'm gonna insert the Thule lock. When I insert the key, it's gonna be like this on the Thule one. There's one that is fixed, that's fixed tab, which is this, the last one here. It's gonna be a problem. The BMW and the Thule roof rack is built a little bit different. So for that reason, we gonna need a drill bit, or I picked up my rotary tool, which is better, and then I installed the filing tip. And you can also use drill bit. What you need to do is you just need to file down, file down this little tab on the top of the roof rack. See, there's a little tab on the top of the roof rack. We need to file it down. Otherwise, when we try to insert the lock core, it's gonna push against here, and we won't be able to push the lock core in. First, file it down. Yeah, it's done. And now we will be able to push the Thule locker in. While we pushing it in, remove the key slowly. Sometimes it doesn't work on the first try. We just keep doing it. I didn't file it enough. I need to file it more. Now it's done. After I file it down, now it's just pop right back in. And while pushing it in, I'm pulling it with my left hand and release the key. Yeah, that's it. Also, make sure the last tab, which is this one, pop up after you insert it. I want to show you guys which part I filed down. This is the front view of the hole. Initially there's wall on here and wall on here. We don't care about the bottom part. What we care about is the top one. And what I did is I filed down the wall. So after I file it down, it should look like this. The front view. So the tabs should go in from this groove.